Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the LIQ token on SUI. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing. Now a lot of tokens named after liquids have been very popular recently. You know, there's the water token, the beer coin. I mean, there's probably other ones as well that are escaping my memory, but this one, the LIQ token, is on SUI. Right now, the SUI blockchain is pretty popular. If you look at the new pairs trending list on DEX Screener, it's a mix basically between Ethereum, Solana, and SUI tokens today. So very popular blockchain. Tron was popular for a little bit. Now we got SUI doing very well. And, you know, Base is still kind of in there a little bit. But, yeah, SUI is definitely popular right now. I'm posting a video today on SUI Man, and maybe I'll post some more SUI tokens later on tonight. But this token, the LIQ, which is the ticker symbol, the LIQ token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, October 4th. So we're going to go over the LIQ token on SUI and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So like I said, if you're looking for the price and the chart and statistics, the numbers on this token, you can find it on DEX Screener. You can also find the token on SUIScan, suiscan.xyz. And so right now, this token's actually trending number 13 on DEX Screener in the SUI section, doing very well. They have a $4 million market cap, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Now, they have $329,000 in liquidity in TURBOS finance. Now, there's a bunch of different DEXs, decentralized exchanges for SUI tokens. You're going to see BLUEMOVE, you're going to see CETUS, you're going to see TURBOS finance. Usually when you go on DEX Screener and you look at Ethereum tokens, they have the Uniswap pool. Majority of tokens I noticed listed on DEX Screener. The main pool is on Radium, sometimes Meteora. But SUI is kind of all over the place with the TURBOS finance, CETUS, and BLUEMOVE pool. You never know which one's going to pop up on DEX Screener. But this one says TURBOS finance, $329,000 in that liquidity pool. This token is up 49.59% right now in the past 24 hours. They have $127,000 24-hour trading volume. And it could be very popular today because this token just announced getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, October 4th, 9:30 UTC time, which has already passed. So it is available now on a very big central exchange called COINEX Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a COINEX Global account, I do have a COINEX Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that COINEX Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol LIQ, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, full name of the token is just LIQ, and then Ticker symbol LIQ, still trending number 13 on DEX Screener. It's not a brand new token. It came out 3 months, 20 days ago, but it's still very popular. There's a quick audit by Quick Intel Security on DEX Screener, and it says no honeypot, no mintable tokens. It says BLIQ, my friend, a new era of meme coins on SUI. So if you go to their webpage, bliqronsui.com, I guess it's kind of a play off of like, Bruce Lee, where he says, be water, and there was the water token. And so this one is kind of a joke saying be liquor, and then it's got this meme character all sloshed on their webpage there. So you probably do not want to be liquor. You probably should. I mean, anyways, it's a joke. But anyway, so it says be water, be liquor, my friend. Welcome to LIQ, the meme coin that's here to bring the party to SUI. The concept behind LIQ is simple. A liquor is like water with a fun twist, but can bring huge liquidity to the ecosystem as people love it. That sounds like it's translated. Grammar's a little bit weird there, but anyways, our goal is to bring more fun and build a meme culture to SUI. Yeah, definitely grammar's off there. So it says LIQ has been living in the crypto space since 2019 with its primary residence on Solana. So there was a LIQ token created on Sol way back in 2019. It says the attention shifted to SUI after SUI base camp in Paris, where many people live, that SUI has potential to become the next Solana. I share that belief. Now, grammar is definitely off, but they're basically saying that they're hoping SUI is going to be just as big, if not bigger, than Solana is, for especially meme tokens. It says, why LIQ? Because we're not just another coin, we're a movement. We're blending the best of meme culture with the incredible power of SUI. It's time to leave the old, boring chains behind and dive into a world where your investments are as entertaining as your favorite memes. So, are you ready to be a part of something epic? Join the LIQ community today. And let's make waves, or should I say ripples, on the SUI blockchain. Cheers to great times and even greater liquidity. Now, waves would have been fine. But, yeah, it says total supply, 69 trillion tokens. Fair launch, 100% LP, to the moon. Their Telegram, if you want to follow that, is linked on their webpage. And it's kind of a mess of numbers and letters, so I can't give you a good address, but 1,427 members, 398 of them are online. That's where you can join the community, chat with other community members, and then check out the Twitter. I'm going to put in the corner of the screen at BLIQ on SUI. And you can check this token out as of today on COINEX Global. So if you don't have a COINEX Global account, like I said, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.